letter F beginning sound. Hello children, do you like animals? Let's look at pictures of some animals. Do you know what animal this is? Yes, that's right. It's a fish. Fish swims in water. Look, there are so many beautiful fish in the sea. What about this animal? This is a fox. Fox lives on mountains. What about this one? Right, this is a frog. Frogs have long tongue. They eat insects. This one? Yes, that is correct. This is a flamingo. Flamingos have long pink legs. Fish, fox, frog, flamingo. Today we are going to learn the sound of the letter F. Say it with me. F. F. Do you know any other object that also begin with the same sound? Like feet. Do you know how many toes we have in our feet? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 toes in our feet. Feet. Do you know how many fingers we have in our hands? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Fingers. We have 10 fingers in our hands. Fingers. 5. We have 5 fingers in one hand. 5 fingers.
Like, share and subscribe.